Hi, tonight's video is a double unboxing and a reveal, so I hope you stick around and watch. Today's bag of the day has been the Louis Vuitton bento bag with the XL monogram strap attached. I love this bag and I will spare you a what's in my bag. I'm sure you can find it on my Instagram because I always do a bag spill on Instagram. The scent of the day has been Jimmy Choo's Fever, and it smells, if I had to pick one word, it would be sexy. This is a very sexy smell. And the lip gloss of the night is Chanel number 808. This is, I would say this and 712 are my two favorites from Chanel. And this was my lip try on of the day, and it did not work out. It is Stay Golden's lip glitter kit, and the color is burlesque. I will just say it's not my vibe at all. And yeah, I'll leave it on that. And it's definitely going in the garbage. I won't even waste my $4 to return it. It's just not worth it to me. So I'm sure it's for someone else, just not me. So that was that. And let me get to the good stuff. I will start with the big one because I hate when sometimes people kind of inch you into something. And I'm like, come on, get to the good stuff. So as you can see, there we go. The Louis Vuitton City Steamer. There she is. Beautiful, right? I had been wanting a red bag, and a friend of mine was just happened to say, hey, I'm gonna let go of a bag. I took a look and I loved it, and she's beautiful. Strap comes inside. She's just in gorgeous condition, and the red is the perfect red for me. You know, I thought that I wanted more of a burgundy when I ended up with that patent leather bag that's right there. And she's beautiful, but she's not a red bag. This is a red bag. So I'm super happy, and thank you. You know who you are, and it's just beautiful. She is definitely my bag of the day for tomorrow. I can't wait to use her. She's just gorgeous. And now to the unboxings. Louis Vuitton. This was a pre-order, and bam, isn't she pretty? This is the Louis Vuitton. I'm sure it's called a slim wallet or something like that. And I think she's gorgeous. And I can't wait to use her. She reminds me of my Saint Laurent one, billfold. Is she called a bill holder? But you know, the long Saint Laurent one that everybody's got, that one. I might slide a picture in just to make sure it's clear. But she does remind me of that, just for functionality wise. Not so much shape or anything like that. And then, I'm sure you know the tissue paper because it's a bandeau. And there she is. The zodiac is a Libra with the scales, and I am actually a Scorpio, but my husband is a Libra. And for me, the Scorpio one looked a little 1983 childish. It just wasn't my vibe, so I was gonna pass until I saw this one. And when I saw it, the first thing I thought was my No AGM in black. And I thought, oh my God, that would go so cute on that. And these are what they call the slim bandeaus, which I did not know when I bought it, but I still like it. I was hoping it was a little bit thicker, but it's still beautiful. Just beautiful. So I happen to see all the zodiac signs in my local store, and they were all gorgeous in their own way. Some of them, like the Scorpio, were a little just youthful for me, and just not for me. But I felt like the Libra one was perfect and beautiful. Okay, the bandeau is going back. I bought this bandeau to go on my Noe GM, and I am not 110% in love. I'm not. So it's going back. Yeah. It's just, she's cute. Maybe if the Noe was the monogram or that brown color, maybe I could see it, but it's just not, it just don't, yeah, it's going back. I'm just not 110% in love. I thought it was cute and I thought it would go well, but it does not. That's a shame. But I don't believe in keeping something I don't love, and I'm glad I didn't take the tag off because, you know, she's going back. That's just what it is, you know. Oh well. Oh well. It is what it is. But I just wanted to share that with you real quickly because just transparency, basically. Yeah, that's unfortunate. But this is what she is, and, you know, although she's cute, I'm not in love. And I need to be in love for me to keep it. So, that's that. Anywho, well, thank you for your time. Thanks for watching. You know, I kept going on these rambling endings and talking about everything from Instagram to, you know, shoes. It was ridiculous, but yeah. Anyway, stay safe, stay kind, wear your mask. Even if the CDC says you can wear your mask, you cannot wear a mask in public now if you're vaccinated. I'm still wearing mine. I'm just being cautious. So stay safe, stay kind, stay cautious. Aloha, guys.